Welcome to G-Tex Designs. In this episode, we're going to build part 7-08, left-hand seating for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we're going to build part 7-08, left-hand side seating for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's go File, New, Part MMGS. So we're going to design, where are we? Let's do the front part, front plane, sketch. We're going to do a rectangle. That's going to be 133 by 65, and that's going to have a raise on one side of 44.5 right there. Okay. That should be that area done, right? That looks good. So let's go feature extrude. That's a width of 10. Okay. Now, this one here, we've got normal to sketch. And I'm going to put a rectangle. It's going to cover the whole thing. It is. From there to there. That's going to be 10 high. It is. 10. There we go. That's going to be a width of 81. Oop, all right. Thank you. 81 plus 19, I believe was read. 19. Yep. Which should be 100. Oh, sorry, 110. My bad. Now we want to go in the top section. We just need, yep, cut one piece out. I'll make sure, yeah, that's correct. So normal to sketch, square in this corner. Gonna be 19 by 19. Yep. Accidentally hit the middle dot on that line. Actually hit that thing, the line there. I need the line. 19. Feature, through cut. Oh, wrong one. Through all and done. And that should be that part done. We just need to do nice woodwork on that one as well, which can be woodwork, organic wood, and I put a nice polished rosewood on that. Actually, no, I didn't have that one. Polished walnut, I think I had. Actually, I don't think I had that either. Polished oak. That's bad. No big deal. See what happens. All right, so that's that part done. Let's shove it in where it belongs. Actually, put it roughly where it belongs. We've got to build the next thing, which will dictate exactly where it goes. Let me just bring it up there. There we go. Let's go bring in the left-hand seat. It's actually, he's turning, which is no big deal. So that face there will go that face there. Okay. This face there will go to that one there. Oop, what happened? I meant it again. Mate. That face there will go to that face. Is that the right way? No, I've done some wrong. I think I got one of the faces wrong. Oop, wrong way. That way. Go down. Yeah. Let me delete that one. Yep. Because me put that there for a minute. Oh, the connection to that's there. No. Let's see now. I know. This face here, gotta go to this face there. But it's got to make it realign. There we go. Now this one here, gotta go to that one. Did it again. Turn mode on. And that one there. There we go. Yeah, it's going to probably sit on top there, but let's just move that up. We need to build next one. Next one's cold holder or something goes in there, and that goes on top of that part. So we shall do that then. So yeah, I can't move anywhere. Okay, just want to make sure it's locked in. All right, that's part 7-08. Left-hand seating done. There's only 4 pieces left. Then we can start doing assembly. Appreciate everyone's support. Thank you so much, very, very, very much. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep on building.